My father's a brakeman conductor for the Southern Pacific. My mother's the chief clerk to the train master. My grandfather just retired as conductor from the Southern Pacific. My grandmother was a Harvey girl, and Bob being a qualified engineer for 8 months. It takes really a long time. You can't learn everything in 2 days or a week or a month. Long time and a lot of practice. On the work train, we were going out and picking up the scrap that we left behind from laying welded rail. To pick up tie plates and anchors and spikes and things like that. My grandfather used to take me on big, fast-moving trains, about 70 or 80 miles an hour on. I'd love it.